Box of 17 Revolution Soccer. Good luck, Matt. This has Pulisic in it, doesn't it? Isn't this an early card? So that's what we're looking for. Didn't he just have a breakout game, I think? All right, I will do my best on these. Coman. Oh, I'm not going to pronounce them. They're hard to see because it's so reflective. Bale. Well, if I tilt them so I can see them, you guys, the glare will be terrible. There is a fractal Orlando Saw. Revolutionaries Conte. Daily Sink Craven, that's an infinite. There's the Astro. Kingsley Coman, Cosmic out of 100. Neymar. On the rise, Jota. And more. Matt, thanks, man. Sorry, no.